right, let's smoke them up.
Here we are, hive number 2.
This is our little tiny hive we're not so sure about.
Yeah, this one wasn't a strong colony to begin with.
Well, it's about as full as it was when we put it in. Looks like we got a beetle. They haven't even reached these yet. Just starting to look at this one. Looks like they've built anything over here. Well, they've definitely stuck it together.
They do start to buzz a little bit more when you
Yeah, they get a little more.
smoke them down. It looks like they're bridging it.
Yeah, they are.
Ooh, nice honey on that one. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that is looking good. Look at that.
Yeah, that's nice.
Just starting to cap it. I'm gonna go ahead and scrape this while we're here.
Just want to get that burr comb off.
Yeah. Help keep them from re-bridging. Scrape it a little better. At least at this point, the wax is pretty soft. It's a lot more stiff later.
Yep, there she is.
We got a queen. Bet she was on that one and came over with this. We found her.
That was the easy one.
That's all larvae and eggs.
Oh, so she's laying in this one.
Yeah, we got a laying queen. Oh, just taking them a bit longer to get going. We got 2 capped brood already on this frame. Oh. That other one is so active, and this one's just kind of, we're here, we're bees. Okay, well good. You keep up the good work.
Well, we want to check the others or leave them be?
You know what?
We want to check lay pattern, make sure they're...
Yeah.
Because I believe this one, they were trying to requeen it at one point.
Yeah, let's see how the inside looks. Just because.
Pull that close one and see how she's laying.
That's exactly what I was thinking. I want to see this side of this one. Probably going to use the puller on this one just so I can get it out more straight.
Hopefully don't create the great bee massacre.
Not like last time. Last time I used this thing, sorry ladies.
Oh, that's a nice pattern there.
Oh my god. And we were worried about this one.
Yeah. Nice, tight, full group.
All the way out to the edge. We got eggs on the very edge of this one. And some nice pupa all the way in. She's a good queen.
Yeah, it'd be nice to see the other one like that, though.
You want to see the other one of these? Want to see that one?
Yeah.
Myself a little bit less squish the queen.
Still with this hive, not getting bumped.
Yeah.
They're not warning us or anything. Just dropping frames, kaboom.
There was one bee on it. God. Otherwise,
Yeah, that stirred them up
that
pretty
would have
good.
made them a little grumpier.
We also need to look at making those little hangers that go on the side to
Yes.
hang a frame.
You know what surprised me most about this whole thing?
What's that?
I actually enjoy that sound. No, the buzz.
Oh. Oh yeah, that's still pretty good there.
Oh yeah, they're hatching out of the middle of this one. Oh, we got one chewing out right there in the middle. Brand new nurse bee. And there she is.
Yeah.
This is our last frame to pull here. There's nothing on the rest of them. Not even a bee.
You want to pull it or leave it?
Well, we can pull it out if you want to take a look at it.
Yeah.
Might as well. It's the last one with bees. Really? Yeah, there's a couple on this other one, but not much. Ooh,
I got some honey on that one.
yeah, I feel it. About the same. Still drawing it out quite a bit. Scrape some of this. Now we're going to try some of that this time.
Oh, nice. You even hear it. Oh.
Crackle, crackle, crackle. Oh, drip, drip, drip. Oh, I'm glad I did that one. That's what you get for giving me burr comb, ladies. Bump. All right. We're going to call that one good because they're not even starting to dry out this next frame. And the others, there isn't anything.
Now the comb and the honey, they will suck that up pretty quick and redo it.
Yep, they'll get it all cleaned up. Well, that angle does work better. Right here where they're trying to cross comb. Ladies, I'd rather not squish you. Get moving. Get to your bee space. Alright.
Bee space, that's like a safe space for bees.
Yeah, they like to have a very specific amount of space between each piece of comb. That's why these fit together so nicely.
Yeah, they're normally about 3/8 to a 1/2 inch on the edges. They like anywhere from 1/4 to a 1/2 inch of bee space, and they'll fill up whatever they don't need. And
Yeah. Make a huge mess.
Oh, I don't think you're gonna get any of that.
I'm getting it.
You gotta fight those bees for it.
Ah, stuff's so sticky. Call that good. Now that we know she's doing good, I feel a lot better about this hive. And I guess we'll close her up.
Okay.
Feeling better that she was over there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, she's expanding her horizons.
Yeah. That's the honey we just picked off of this hive. It's comb where I didn't want it, so we have to tell them no.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave us a like. And if you want to see future content, please subscribe. And as always, we'll see you on the next one.